What is up, Dilla 41 here? I'm bringing you some live Model for 3 special ops playing Kill Switch. It's a DLC mission, I believe.
Provide cover fire for Scarecrow.
Yeah, it's a DLC mission.
Target down.
Yeah, I'm just trying to beat it on veteran difficulty here since I'm kind of bored. I played this mission when it first came out on just like regular, just to see what the map looked like. I'm just snoop tubing them all.
You can move. Hostile down.
Oh, come on, reload already.
Target down.
This is pretty quick and easy.
Hostile down. Ozone.
Right, now it's my turn up in the tower. Now we just gotta defend Scarecrow with this sniper.
Scarecrow, that's the comm station.
Shouldn't be too
Get
hard.
inside.
I just want to get these guys on the roof first. Oh no, I gotta reload. Come on.
Incoming Juggernaut.
Okay, I gotta reload this again.
Help me out.
Only if I had some sleight of hand. This would make it a lot easier.
Juggernaut's down.
Right. Alright, I think he made it. Now I need to go open the Reaper, I think.
Ozone. Use the Reaper to keep reinforcements from entering the comm station.
Right here. Not too hard.
Ozone, the enemy's closing in on me. Take out those hostiles.
Okay, I'm doing pretty bad in this Reaper.
EMP is activated. The Reaper's down. Ozone, incoming high.
Alright, now the mission's almost over. That was pretty quick and easy.
Head to the docks.
Oh my god, the reload is so slow. I just need to get over to there, and I think I beat the mission. Ooh. Okay, I need to hit some cover.
That's the way it's done.
Right, nice. Well, thanks for watching.